how to log in into the Barclaycard app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to log in into the Barclaycard app. So in order to log in into the Barclaycard app, you have to follow the steps. First thing, make sure that you have already registered or that you already have an account. Then to begin with, you could either use an application or you could use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in Barclaycard, and here it's going to provide you with the official link, so that is www.barclaycard.co.uk. and right on this page, go ahead and select the account type first thing and then click the login button, and here you could go ahead and type in the information, that is your login credential. And once done entering your login credential, then you should be able to log in into your Barclaycard app. Or else if you are unable to log in, then you could go ahead and reset your following information, and that's basically how you can log in into your Barclaycard app. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.